Good morning, everyone. Today is the day of the LZ Clean Culture Show. So as you guys saw on last time, I had a bit coolant issues, so I'm gonna check my coolant level. If this will undo. Oh my god, it's on there. There we go. Seems I am a-okay. But we have another leak.
So what did you end up doing?
We replaced the hose down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. But now, of course, this hose cracked and is now leaking. So that's fun. It's one thing after another.
Can't win.
But we'll be all right. It's not so bad. My temps are staying down. So we're just gonna send it today and fix everything after the show. All right, back in the car. Start it. Yeah. Woo, slay.
Slay.
All right, so we're actually gonna go to my friend Liz's house to wash our cars, and then we're gonna roll out together.
Nice to meet you. I'm sorry.
Made it to Liz's house. Say hi. The car looks beautiful. Hi, Andy.
Thank you, baby.
Time for me to wash my car, but got moving first because my dog ran over the hose. All clean.
Look at them, so fresh and clean.
Bless you.
Talk to the people.
Right now we're on our way to English Town. We got Liz in front of us and her cute ass for us. I love it. Okay, so we are here waiting in this line.
Dude, Blessed is like 35 cars deep only. Like, that's just Blessed.
It's probably them making all the traffic.
It definitely is.
I love you guys.
Damn, there's some sick ass cars here.
Hello, my name is Samantha. How you doing? Welcome to the shit show.
My car made it into the show though. Look at it, it's so cute.
Made it though.
A lot of cars here.
Hi. Can say hi to the vlog. Look
at Sonia's car. It's so cute.
I literally had door open.
That's Jesse and Kenny. Carrie talking about my car overheating. It's fine.
Did it actually overheat?
Yeah.
No.
I grabbed Chick-fil-A. Carrie's grabbing patties. That's nice.
I had a bacon tender ranch wrap. Like, you're so cute. It's adorable. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm like living.
I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Do a tail whip.
Oh yeah, Bestie pulled up on the scooter.
What is that?
Oh, got the bike gang pulling up.
I know you want to look at the van. Yeah, you're living your best life right now. Wait, look at this. Did you see this? Yo, that bay is clean.
We got Mr. Famous.
So I just picked up the new lips, 18-inch for the EK. I think I can fit them.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yo, Hyrene's gotta go.
Just gotta talk a bit, man.
Just gotta, a little bit more camera.
A little more. Just a bit.
Oh yeah. Y cuando te lo quito, te lo paro y la copa te arriba.
I do though.
Buy that?
Yeah.
I have that at the house.
Yeah, I got Hurt Life. Evan Shane.
Everyone say hi.
Randy. Sun Life. Canadian $5.
What I want to do stuff is to make sure that this crowd here we are.
Hey. Right now we're just kind of walking around, and then we're gonna watch Drifting Boy.
And then Nate Hamilton's crew is like,
So where we going?
Not your typical shopping cart ride.
Guys. Oh, that's crazy.
There's our friend Brian. Hi, Brian.
Oh, these are the 3 winners?
section of the transition.
So handsome, lad.
The goodies boy. The goodies boy. Come on, Mike, jam out.
by, so the ice cream truck just drove by, and I was like, where are they going?
And Jay-Z saw was us. Jay-Z saw was us. Back at the house, ending it at this note. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know when they'll be yet, but I'll keep you guys updated.